Economics is a social science that studies how individuals, businesses, governments, and nations make choices on allocating scarce resources to satisfy their unlimited wants. It involves analyzing the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Key topics in economics include supply and demand, market structures, economic indicators, and economic theories such as Keynesian economics and supply-side economics. Understanding basic economic concepts such as scarcity, opportunity cost, and supply and demand is essential in making informed decisions in a world of limited resources. Scarcity forces us to prioritize our needs and wants, while opportunity cost helps us evaluate the trade-offs involved in decision-making. By grasping these fundamental concepts, individuals can better navigate the complexities of the economy and make sound financial choices. Supply and demand are fundamental concepts in economics that play a crucial role in determining prices and quantities in a market economy. The relationship between supply and demand influences market outcomes and is essential for understanding how markets function. Market structures including perfect competition, monopoly, oligopoly, and monopolistic competition define the competitive landscape in different industries. Perfect competition features many small firms producing homogeneous products, while monopoly involves a single seller with no close substitutes. Oligopoly consists of a few large firms with interdependent decision-making, and monopolistic competition includes many firms offering differentiated products. Each structure has its unique characteristics and implications for market dynamics. Elasticity of demand and supply is a fundamental concept in economics that helps us understand how consumers and producers respond to changes in prices. Elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of quantity demanded to price changes, while elasticity of supply measures the responsiveness of quantity supplied to price changes. Various factors influence the elasticity of demand and supply, such as availability of substitutes, production time, and technology. Understanding these concepts is crucial for making informed decisions in the market. Consumer behavior refers to the study of how individuals make decisions to spend their available resources on various goods and services. It involves understanding concepts such as utility, preferences, and budget constraints. Consumers aim to maximize their satisfaction utility from the products they purchase while considering their limited income budget constraint. Preferences differ among consumers, influencing their choices in the market. By analyzing consumer behavior, businesses can tailor their marketing strategies to meet the needs and desires of their target audience effectively. Production and costs involve understanding the factors of production such as labor, land, capital, and entrepreneurship. These factors contribute to the production functions which describe the relationship between inputs and outputs. Additionally, costs in production include fixed costs, variable costs, total costs, and opportunity costs. Perfect competition is a market structure characterized by a large number of small firms producing identical products, perfect information, and ease of entry and exit. In this market, individual firms are price takers, meaning they accept the market price as given. Equilibrium is achieved when demand equals supply, leading to efficient resource allocation. Firms aim to maximize profits by producing at the point where marginal cost equals marginal revenue. Let's advance to the next topic. Monopoly is a market structure characterized by a single seller who dominates the entire market for a particular product or service. It has unique characteristics such as being a price maker and facing no close substitutes. Price discrimination, on the other hand, involves charging different prices to different customers for the same product or service. Let's transition to the next slide. Oligopoly is a market structure characterized by a small number of large firms that dominate the market. In an oligopoly, firms are interdependent, meaning that each firm's decisions affect the others. Game theory is often used to analyze the strategic interactions between firms in an oligopoly, particularly when it comes to collusion. Collusion in an oligopoly involves firms cooperating to reduce competition and increase profits. However, collusion is often illegal due to antitrust laws that aim to promote competition and protect consumers. Despite the risks, firms in an oligopoly may still attempt to collude through secret agreements or tacit understandings. Alright, let's go forward to the next slide. Monopolistic competition is a type of market structure where many firms sell similar but not identical products. Each firm has some market power due to product differentiation, which is the strategy of making products appear distinct. In the long run, firms in monopolistic competition can only earn normal profits as competition adjusts. Externalities and market failures refer to situations where the market mechanism fails to achieve an efficient allocation of resources due to the impact of external costs or benefits on third parties. Externalities can lead to market failures as they result in a divergence between private costs and social costs. Understanding these concepts is crucial in designing effective policies to address externalities and ensure market efficiency. Let's head to the next slide. Public goods are goods that are both non-excludable and non-rivalrous in consumption. This means that individuals cannot be effectively excluded from using the good, and their use by one individual does not reduce its availability to others. Common resources, on the other hand, are rivalrous but non-excludable, leading to issues of overuse and depletion. Challenges such as the free rider problem and tragedy of the commons are associated with these types of goods. Macroeconomic goals refer to the objectives of an economy in terms of growth, employment, and price stability. Growth aims at increasing the overall production and income levels of a country. Employment focuses on reducing unemployment rates and ensuring job opportunities for the workforce. Price stability involves controlling inflation and avoiding deflation to maintain a healthy economic environment. Gross domestic product (DIPT) is a key economic indicator that measures the total value of all goods and services produced within a country's borders over a specific period. It provides insight into the economic health and performance of a nation. DIPT is calculated by adding up consumption, investment, government spending, and net exports. Understanding DIPT helps policymakers, businesses, and individuals make informed decisions about the economy. Let's advance to the next slide. Unemployment is a key economic indicator that refers to the number of individuals who are actively seeking employment but are currently without a job. There are various types of unemployment, including frictional, structural, cyclical, and seasonal. The causes of unemployment can be attributed to factors such as technological changes, economic recession, globalization, and minimum wage laws. Measurement of unemployment is typically done through the calculation of the unemployment rate, which is an important metric for assessing the overall health of an economy. Aggregate demand and aggregate supply are key concepts in economics that help explain the behavior of markets and the overall economy. Aggregate demand represents the total demand for goods and services by all sectors of the economy, while aggregate supply reflects the total output of goods and services produced within the economy. Understanding the factors that influence both aggregate demand and aggregate supply is essential for analyzing economic trends and making informed policy decisions. Factors such as consumer spending, investment, government policies, and external trade can impact aggregate demand. While factors like production costs, technological advancements, and government regulations affect aggregate supply, achieving equilibrium between aggregate demand and aggregate supply is crucial for maintaining stable prices and output levels in an economy. Fiscal policy plays a vital role in influencing the economy through government spending and taxation decisions. It aims to achieve economic stability, promote growth, and address various economic challenges. By understanding the impact of fiscal policy, policymakers can make informed decisions to steer the economy in the desired direction. Monetary policy plays a crucial role in shaping the economy by influencing money supply and interest rates. Central banks use various tools to implement monetary policy, which in turn affects borrowing, spending, and investment decisions in the economy. Understanding the dynamics of money supply and interest rates is essential for policymakers, economists, and individuals to grasp the implications of monetary policy on overall economic performance. International trade plays a crucial role in the global economy by promoting specialization, efficiency, and economic growth. Countries engage in trade to benefit from each other's resources, skills, and technologies. Comparative advantage, where countries focus on producing goods or services they can produce most efficiently, is a key concept in international trade. By trading based on comparative advantage, countries can maximize their production and overall welfare. International trade leads to increased market size, lower costs, and improved economic outcomes for participating nations. Exchange rates play a vital role in the global economy, influencing trade flows, investment decisions, and economic stability. The foreign exchange market serves as the platform for currency exchange, with rates constantly changing based on supply and demand dynamics. It is essential for individuals and businesses to monitor exchange rates to make informed financial decisions. Factors such as interest rates, inflation, and political stability can all affect currency values. Managing currency risk is a key consideration for international businesses operating in multiple countries. The balance of payments is a summary of all monetary transactions between a country and the rest of the world. It includes the trade balance, net income from abroad, and net transfers in the current account. The capital account tracks investments into and out of the country. Maintaining a balance of payments is crucial for assessing a country's economic health. Economic development and growth theories explore the mechanisms and factors that drive the economic progress of nations and regions. These theories help policymakers and economists understand how to foster sustainable and inclusive development. Key concepts include capital accumulation, technological innovation, human capital development, and institutional frameworks. By studying these theories, we can gain insights into the complexities of economic growth and the strategies needed to promote prosperity. Financial markets and institutions refer to the system of financial markets and intermediaries that facilitate the flow of funds between investors, borrowers, and savers. These markets and institutions play a vital role in the economy by enabling capital formation, risk management, and efficient allocation of resources. Understanding how financial markets operate and the functions of financial institutions is essential for individuals and businesses to make informed financial decisions. In summary, we've explored several key concepts in this unit. We hope this explanation is clear.